Hello, in front of me I've got Kygo Xellence. In this video I'll show you how to manage gestures. Beginning, take a look at your earbuds. Here is the left earbud and here is the right earbud. To adjust volume when music play or during a call, one tap multifunctional button on the right earbud to increase volume and one tap multifunctional button on the left earbud to decrease volume. To play pause, double press right or left multifunctional button. To select next song, long press for 2 to 5 seconds on the right earbud for next track, and for the previous track, same thing on the left earbud. To answer call, one tap on right or left earbud. To end call, double press on the multifunctional button on either earbud. To reject call when incoming a call, long press 1 second on either earbud. For ambient noise cancelling, triple tap or left or right earbud to change between different modes. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.